Yeah, people, check in, you don't know and go. Right now we have some Irish potato boil alive. Yeah, don't know what that means. Oven pan fleek alive. Chicken, oh shit, alive, smell a jerk alive. Chicken breast alive. Chicken breast alive. Chicken breast alive. Oven hot alive. Zoom in on the fire, you know alive. Yeah. Over there we have the bad hot sauce alive. Yeah man. Well thick alive for basic chicken alive. Alive. Yeah man. I'm sure you will mix it up in there now. Alive. Yeah people, the kitchen that is some refurbishing. Alive. 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 Run it now man. Yeah. So we have a bad season there, so. No sir, yeah? Alive. You don't know if you look like the bad sitting in them and like this. No, we never use this. We never use this. Yeah, you don't know really. I too working on this, but if you're Jamaican, you know what a clock a strike a lie. Yeah, like you don't know. Yeah, complete season we use. We go. Stays a bomb. It's a curry. It's a little more from. This a little more from now. Yeah, then you can season you will drop on there. It's a curry man, what you don't know, you can see. Curry in a pot of lye. So bad sugar and sitting. And then you can sit and you put in a little salt or so. You know if you want the water boil faster. Yeah, this. Salt. So right now, we put it in and thing and wait for them to go and boil. You know, so they might take a time. You just put it on high. You put it on high warm. The flame go blow. I don't want no guys. Why make the flame always blow? You know, see that bad Kendall Sansa? Yeah man, Kendall, reach out to me, you know. The bad molasses over here, so too. I will go to bomb over one part of one place over here, so I'm going to say, no. This is nice sauce to you, yeah. Long time you have that one molasses, you go and hold it. I can't flakes, you don't know, you go man, these off man. Right now, yeah. Right now the chicken them have a vibe and now. See ready to come now. Come out and eat a first turn alive. Yeah man. That is it. We look for the patty cotta. Yeah man, big up cream and the patty cotta. Right? To grip it and thing. You know, so this, after what? After mash the potato them man. Yeah. I want to give things some patty cotta. And look what I want on them. Yeah people. But we can see heat. Yeah. Patty cotta. How do I use people that take out the patty cotta? Some more of a clean people. Look at chicken. I want them if you glaze them now. Oh! I want them if you glaze them now. Look how they boy. Glaze them now people. Oh, we are going to glaze them with one hand. Oh, we are going to glaze them with one hand. Oh, you see that? That we are talking about. You can't do it with one hand. Yes, yes, now. Oh my God. So you Google alarm on the TV, you done when go. The alarm on the TV when. Alright, and we take them out alive. Yeah man, we put in them some time you know, them about 10 minutes in. You see me, you see the sauce we make now with the candle hot thing and the what the other thing the name soya sauce and the thing molasses and liquor sugar. Yeah, me I go to my remedy man and liquor cup of water. Yeah. After that no, you lock it back. Yeah man, you know what I can't fancy cat the man say yo. I bet you lock it back. Yeah. You lock it back people, just get in look more rice sauce on the gate look how color. I want breast this you know. One breast then sell me for pound. So, but the breast big. Cause me cut it up and me go in a 4. Cause me the breast man in a people. Yeah. See, yes, I bomb in the kitchen. Bomb in the kitchen. Yeah, we have a little there. We have a little water upon him. Yeah. And then we go so now bomb. Easy way for you came in people. Yeah. Blow out. Yeah, look. Yeah. Back in the night, people. Yeah. Murder. From there's steam. There's what? Right. Yeah, when I just start bubbles here, you know, say, I potato take long for boy is still in the people. So, you don't know you go over there, sip on some crystal punch in the day, alright? Cool water. You know, wash no face, people. Yeah, about to take it out. We link on the back and thing. Right now, we just have to get the water in all this and thing. So, you know, we can add in a little more off camera. And then now, a mad thing. You hear that? Big up Whirlpool, I lie? I lie? Yeah, man, the chicken. People, more chicken in the fridge. People, more chicken in the fridge. Big up Samsung. Yeah. Bad fridge. And this cup of water, this and some hockey and thing. See chicken here. I buy some chicken downtown, alright? Yeah, people, I get a bad video. You see that fit? You see this? Yeah, man, I get a video, man. But no worry, man. So, we catch in the back. See the clothes we are going to get on now, people. We just mix him up in a cup. Yeah, man. Reach out tight, lie. Yeah. So, stay tuned. Don't know go. There back a lie. That is it. Oh, I have a bad boy in there, so I go and boil up, you know. Yeah, man. The man them a fight in here and say, oh, what done boil first? What done boil first? What going on, eh? You don't know go, people. There. Stay tuned. Check in. You don't know go. So I lock back the pattern now. And thing. Yes, sir. Yeah, people, we are checking for the thing them. A lie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, boy, man. 2:15. Oh my God, people. The heat they on us. I don't know if I can see the bubble tonight. Tell me if you not see it. Tell me the pan up a little. The breast them. Oh, yeah, people. Yeah, man. Tell me if your camera quality clean. So you know. That is it, man. That is it. But you don't know, you go. They upon the weight. About 10, we are give about chicken them in for a while, you know. So we give them 7 more minutes. You see me? And then now, by then time them are supposed to ready. I'm gonna just mash them and thing. So you don't know, we might slap it with a 1 slice of bread too. Yeah, people. That is it, man. I want to put little parsley on the top of it a little. You see me, I say? Say, you see that? You catch that in a 3D, you know, people. Look there. Yeah, man. But there back, man. Consistency, right? I don't know, see. Thing out there. Come clean off the stove before I start the video, people. And the water bubble from the whirlpool. And thing. So there still I want normal out, people, you know. Maybe me too happy. It's a little lemonade, alright? One bad thing, alright? Say now. Yeah, people. So that is it. I mix the lemonade and forward. I will show you what I want. That is it. Yo, yeah man. Big up Tang Shi man, remember me just tell the boy them on here dinner man. Hmm? But over there so around a bag of tea. Yeah, I'll see you so bam. You have to prep them before unflap yourself on the internet. A lie and go so. A lie. And we now want to fresh it to you know people. No want to fresh it. We just mix them round here now. So we go for the 3 bad ice them you know. Yeah man, you have to reuse and recycle, a lie? Reduce and recycle, a lie? Hey, so they are try be, you know? Yeah, 1 down, 2 down. Why we do this people? 3 down. You know why we do this? Cool it down. To cool it. Who does that? Who does that? That is it. Go so now, bam, hold back there and put in the fridge, go so shh. You know, bad plate them away so for the chicken and wait in a man. So people, you fling back your tongue up as a lie. Go so you over there man. Stay tuned. Yeah people, we have to come down to our boys here, the water dry on me. So we just there so I got the thing them submerge in the sauce. Submerge in the sauce. So me and David, I know people do eat the 250. You know the camera can go in and dust this but it now focus, it focus on the chicken them. Which is supposed to do. But right now people, they're ready to come out, you know, but we give them 5 more minutes man. That's why they call, we all flip them, you know. So they can submerge, you know. Oh God. So, people, anytime I see you back again, right, I say I'm going to see you back, I will take out them. No. Yeah, people. So right now, them are done. Oh my God. So yeah, potato them be done, boy. I did. Yeah, I did. You know, mash them in a 1 slice of bread. I get the 2 bad glass them for juice. A lie? Yeah. 2 arenas. So. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Lemonade. You see it? Right now we are get out this here now. Yeah man, I tell you where I get them out man. This oh yo people, I don't know the heat, the comforter. This I tell you. In a nice. People in a nice. In a nice. I'm just go to bomb milk oil and get 2 ice in them. You know what I mean? I'm gonna look on them chicken there. Bad juice, presentation loud. You see me? Put a bomb now. I'll lock this. And then we plating time. Bah, look how much me burn off my finger. On my hand. My finger. Oh yes, you know I'm look presentable. You know I play that man. We there now. Draft, you know. I wonder what kind of meat. You know, you have to, you know. Make it look presentable. Oh Jesus people. Sorry if I not video good, but right now, look at the sauce. I got the sauce. Got the sauce. I got the sauce. Oh, look at the sauce. I got the sauce. Oh. Yo, the aroma half of this. Jesus. The big boy they have to go in my plate. So, you know I go. Yeah, man, you know, I go. I'm sure now I go. I have to deal with presentation life. Yeah, man. Presentation, man. What's on our bam? I lift up your pan. Boy, the one on recording now work out for me so like that. Oh, wait. Dancing, roast fry. A little sauce there. A little sauce there, that's a bam. Yo, I don't know if you not see how pretty this is right now, people. But you don't know more because more sauce for my one. Mom's no, I'm not calling it. That is it. That is it. You come on, slide a piece of bread in that a murder. Or half I can murder it. Yeah, people, so food done. You know that go. Juice time. Yeah, man, second, third, and fourth, man. Yeah, people, so. You see me? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the live. Yeah, people, we are going to dig in. See you again next time. You hear that? Watch out the full video and comment. That is it.